Hello everyone, welcome back to Master English with Ali. Today we have another story with an important lesson. This one is called The Goose That Laid the Golden Eggs. It's a story about a farmer who learns a big lesson about greed. Let's begin. Once upon a time there was a farmer who lived with his wife. They were poor but worked hard every day to earn a living. One morning the farmer went to the goose nest to collect eggs, but this time he found something very special, a golden egg. The farmer was amazed. He ran to show his wife, and they both couldn't believe their eyes. The egg was pure gold. They took it to the market and sold it for a good amount of money. Each day the goose laid another golden egg, and the farmer collected it. Soon the farmer and his wife became quite wealthy. But as their wealth grew, so did their greed. The farmer thought, if the goose can lay golden eggs every day, there must be gold inside her. If I can get all the gold now, I'll be rich all at once. He couldn't wait. One day the greedy farmer took a knife and killed the goose. He cut her open, hoping to find a lot of gold inside. But there was nothing, no gold at all, just an ordinary goose. The farmer was devastated. He had destroyed his golden goose. He would have no more golden eggs. His greed had taken away everything he had gained. This story teaches us that sometimes when you are greedy and want everything all at once, we end up with nothing. It's better to be patient and appreciate what we have. Thanks for watching Master English with Ali. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'll see you next time with another story to help you learn English.